in my room. Is it really? Did you put these on me?
Maybe. You're right, maybe.
What's in here?
Just like there.
That's like your lower back.
Oh well.
I'm really awkward.
You killed the dinosaur.
Do we just love this bro? I'm sorry. Are you supposed to be like a dog?
Roar.
You're not a dinosaur?
Roar.
You're just a girl?
I'm a dinosaur. Ooh, she's getting naked.
Oh yeah. Why am I wearing two belts? This video is completely ruined.
Huh?
That was a stupid video. God.
don't think it was
No,
like-
don't stop
See what I
it.
did.
No,
Stop
no,
it.
no, you're not allowed.
Yes. You're actually feeling pretty today.
No, this felt really pretty. I was hoping that did not land on my foot, but it didn't. Ooh.
No, it's not.
I just did a ballerina thing. Watch. What? It's like when you dance right now. I'll be like, going first day of school, I'll be like, hey.
You really shouldn't dance.
Slow dance.
You really shouldn't dance with dinosaurs. I'm gonna bite your toes.
We saw this thing. Oh my god, it was so cool. It was like an eel, and it was like a dragon head. Oh, we went to Tropical Aquarium or something. When? This year. Yeah. Me, my dad, my mom, and Alex. I like to live